What you doing? What you doing, Ronnie?
I don't say anything.
I hate when girls' Instagram bios be caught you lurking like I'm fucking Joe Goldberg or something. Anyway, what do you think the world would be like if Eminem was white?
Oh, you want to get fucked up. You want to get...
Oh!
Yo quiero Taco Bell.
Over 95% are not subscribed.
I don't know about y'all, but this shit...
What am I supposed? I mean, how am I gonna? I can't even. There's nothing left for me anymore. Ah!
I need you to calm down.
No.
What would you do if I was your delivery guy and I delivered you your pizza and you opened up the door and we made eye contact and I just slowly... Jasmine, pepperoni. What would you do?
That's sexual assault.
Oh!
You already knew that, yet you still live a life that you dread.
Excuse me.
If you ain't at the gym, then where the fuck you at?
In lockdown.
But you don't look gay. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm not about to play, yeah. Young niggas tryna stack up his cake, yeah. That's my kind of day, yeah. Let me be too late now. And I try to...
I began to pass out. Then my head hit the wall. Boom! But I had a praying grandmother.
I'm gonna let God fix it. Because if I fix it, I'm going to jail.
Never say I love you again. Just say, whoa.
Okay, good night.
Daddy, good night and whoa.
My friend, are you possessed?
Shut up.
I just got this fan on Amazon, and apparently, like, it was, like, really fast, like, wind, so let's just test it out.
And pepper.
And pepper.
And by the way, well, hold on on that. Hold on. Now, hold on. I'm not going to say that. All right, hold on. Because, anyway,
Hamster on the keyboard, keyboard on the hamster, hamster on the mouse, mouse on the hamster, hamster on the desk, desk on the hamster.
天空のライアーを手に入れたのは酔っ払い相手に歌を聴かせるためなのかよ。えへってなんだよ。
Good morning, class. All right, I hope everyone had a great night. I know I did. So we're going to pick up from where we left off yesterday with question 7. So who has the answer to question? Who has the answer? Okay, all right, Jimmy. Let's stop that. Come on, we're in public. Stop it, Jimmy. All right, who has the answer to question 7? All right, Brad, come on. Let's take a crack at it. Yeah, okay. Close. Yeah, close. Miranda? Yeah? Okay. You guys, I'm going to need a set. I'm going to need a pop squat for the rest of class. Because if I don't pop a squat, I'm going to pop out Mr. Jimmy here any second, okay? He's going to come flying out the womb. All right, thank you for being courteous. All right, Miranda, you were saying?
What more do you want from me? Oh my God.
Hey, are you on your way back? Yeah, I can see you're like 7.
They say the louder your voice is, the smaller your willy is. Alright, you can stop recording now. That should be good. Oh, got my noise-canceling headphones back. Alright, thank you.
Okay, are y'all ever hanging out with someone and then they want to take Instagram photos and you're like, yeah, sure. And then they're one of these people. Okay, hold on. Okay, here you go. Okay. Just try to get low to the ground and hold the camera up a little bit and then only get my head, but make sure my shoes are in it. And then I want to be faced away, but with my shoulder facing that way. But then you're over there, so it like, you know what I'm saying? Okay, ready? Okay. Just spam. Just take a bunch. Okay. Okay, let me see. Can you like get more low to the ground, but like turn the camera a little bit and then face it up and then turn it this way and then turn it the other way.
I'm having a bad day. It's about time.
You feeling me, brother? You got your rapist, homo, thug, black boys over there. What the hell are you talking about?
Number 12, cock.
Just a spontaneous thought. How would you like to accompany me to go to the funeral home? Right? To get this, to pick out a casket for my dead great-grandmother. Oh my God, it's so fun. I already thought of cute games we could play, right? Like, which casket matches the ambiance the best? Which casket is also the most cost-efficient so that my family doesn't go broke trying to pay for the funeral of my dead great-grandmother the best, right? Like, such a main character energy moment. Yeah, let's go. Okay, grab your keys because I don't have a car.
I hope not. You know, wait a minute. Why is there a picture of me on Instagram? I didn't tell y'all to put that out.
Not gonna cap. I forgot how to do this.
Perfect.
Hi everybody, I just wanted to say I'm sorry if I offended you. And please go follow please go follow my social media in the bio.
Do you have chronic ass itch?
I mean, description down below.
Make sure to go download the newest app, and if you haven't used code.
And again, I am so sorry.
We done? Why is this?
Mommy, I'm hungry.
Oh my god, get off! Dude, can I turn this off?
In the beninging. Bening. It's beginning. In the bening. It's big. Okay. In the beninging. In the bening. Huh?
No way. No way. That is insane.
I know, it's literally so crazy.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What's going on?
I'll break into your house. What the fuck you gonna do about it, bitch?
Yo, wake up. Yo. Yo, workplace happens, see TV salami CD later.
Because I know you. I found it in your area. I found it in your box. Your box of stuff.
Man, she's really hot.
Yeah, but I saw her with like 5 guys.
Once I get my new glasses, you know how pharmacy?
Yo, Wendy's fries ready.
Had beef with some dude and I was like, oh, fuck him.
Yo, I'm calling Woody, and when he comes over, should I invite him in?
Ken Connect from Connecticut.
You can't trust no one these days. Everybody be lying.
We're driving in this car very slow. Remember when that fan came up and started talking to us in Korean? Yo, Dan, you want a cigar?
No.
No, 2:30.
John, I'm trying to record a pun. Can you lower your voice?
Oh, well, you make a pun already. We're out of gas, so we're sending out an SOS.
I got punched in my groin. I need a medic for medic.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Peter!
Yo, say if we go in there, will we find some puns?
Ooh, there's a good place to eat.
Yo, remember when you were peeing in that market?
Yeah, and I took a produce too. We're looking for puns. 142nd Street. We're trying to find any good puns. Yeah, I'm right in that area. I'll head over and check it out.
Lean on me when you're not. You son of a.
Oh, he's mad. You rarely hear Dan swear. Oh my God Almighty.
Yo, that was who?
Yo, you ever been there?
Yeah, we were smoking herb in there. I'll never know what I believe in. I'm probably gonna diagnose. Man, John's really far.
Hi. Oh man, I can't eat there anymore. They banned me.
And this is another place we're not allowed in.
Yo, don't leave, bro. I got one. Man, it's cold in London, but this jacket keeps you warm, huh? I'm a farm boy.
Man, I bet working at a bank is tedious. I can deal with a dog in my house, but I can't bear a cat.
Man, I love this place so much, I ban 10 tans.
Yeah, what the hell are you doing? You can't park here. Man, I can't believe these pun videos have gone viral.
I can't wait to go home and draw a McKellerin book. Alright guys, we gotta go out there and give it 110%.
Join the TikTok Victory Discord server. Click the link in the description.
For the love of God, please don't say nothing. Nothing!
By the science guy.
What did I say? Why can y'all be like this when I'm teaching, huh? Is that Bill? I love Bill.
Fake ass bitches.
Why won't you sing?
Because singing killed my grandma, okay? Now leave me alone.
My uncle broke his neck tap dancing once.
When you and your siblings are supposed to be asleep.
Yo. BB la poop. Hey, shut up! You're gonna wake up Mom! Wait, I'm asleep!
All right, that's it for...
Oh my gosh, thank you so much. I wonder what it is. What? No! You shouldn't have. Let's go. I don't care about the money in the card. Nah. How'd you fit this into the gift bag? I don't care about the money in the card. Nah, not convincing enough. Oh my god! You know me so well. I don't care about the money in the card. Yeah, that's the one. It's an avocado! Thanks. Hey, there's money in that card. I don't care.
Oh, sweet. Wait, no. No! No! I believed in you! Oh, good job!
Oh my god, I'm so sorry, hold on.
Oh, it's okay, here, I'll help you clean it up. Thank you so much, here. I'm trying to clean it up. No need to worry about it, it's just... Oh, thank you so much for... That was my fucking dog! What are you doing? Those are your lines!
The best things in life start with extra.
Every kiss begins with K.
Oh my god, guys, this is so fun. So sorry, I will keep my voice down. I'll just get on my computer for a minute. Is this bothering you guys at all? Do you mind if I just make a smoothie in your bedroom real quick? Yeah, I just have a little blender with me. Just real quick. Wait, do you have any strawberries with you? Can we just listen to some music to fall asleep?
Hey guys, to everyone asking how I'm doing since my ex whatever cheated on me, I'm fine. I'm doing just fine.
Hot phones in your area. Hot phones in your area. Hot.
Can we just talk, please?
Talk about what?
I don't know, our future child together?
Well, it seems like you've already moved on.
What?
What about the phone you're calling me from?
Okay, oh, she's an iPhone 8. Like, she has a home button. She's no competition.
Hello.
Who are you?
I'm
I'm Siri. Here to help.
Nice to meet you.
See, I don't even think that's enough. I think I need to. Oh, my shoulders. Oh yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and let them handle that right there. Don't get up out of here.
Where does it snow?
McDonald's.
This child is mostly incorrect. Snow covered over 1.3 million square miles of the United States in early 2021. McDonald's covers over 53 million square feet. Thus, converting a square mile is about
Just a kid.
0.00014% of snow is at McDonald's. Skiers could be dangerously misled.
I don't know who needs to hear this, but yes, going from talking to someone every single day to barely receiving a response from them to possibly never hearing from them again hurts, especially when there's no explanation. And so you're stuck there wondering what you could have said or done to have pushed them away, or even worse, whether or not they've replaced you. Well, I'm here to remind you that even though you care so much for this person and you wanted this person in your life, if they were so easily able to just walk away without an explanation, without feeling bad at all, they do not deserve to be in your life. But your feelings are completely valid, because you know what? You had high expectations for this person and they disappointed you. And I'm so sorry. But you deserve better. And with this person leaving, you will eventually get that. This is a blessing in disguise. I promise you, you're going to be okay, even if you don't see it now.